Hey guys, to finish up on that foam insulation, two things that I didn't like about it. One was the paper that covers the sticky, and you can stick one sheet to the other. The paper that you peel off quite often, it peels off all different directions, and it doesn't. You have to end up using a razor knife to scoop it, peel it off of there. I didn't like that. That was a hassle. And if it ever got the least bit wet, say you left it out and dew hit it, it was even worse to deal with. It was just so soft you couldn't peel it off. Those are legitimate complaints. The next one is more of a mealy mouth, whiny kind of thing. But I'm going to say this. The instructions on this, inside the wrapper, were totally in Spanish. There were no English instructions. And I'm going to say that would be like me sending that down to Mexico with totally English. Okay? We're in America. We're Americans. I would like to see at least some English in the instructions. But there were absolutely none. So, I guess they think, well, it's only going to be Mexicans or Spanish people who are going to be doing it. But I'm telling you, that's not true. They need to get English instructions on the material so that English people don't have to try to read the pictures. I can do better than reading comics. So it's really kind of self-explanatory, especially if you watched our videos. We showed you how we did it and we cut it up in sections so we had it ready to roll. One of the videos that shows you with a 40-degree difference between the roof that is white, that would make a difference, with the insulation underneath it and the shingles. 40 degrees. So it is a good thing. It is accomplishing some. I think I showed before on one of my houses shingles and metal right on the shingles. It showed you the difference. I think it was 20 degrees difference, 25. So be careful, but it is a very, very good product, and it's now, for me, it was $300 for 750 square feet. That's really good, and it's supposed to be as much as 10 inches thick, so, the equivalent of 10 inches thick. So it's a very good product for what you're getting at. And I imagine there's a lot of uses, like underneath houses for insulation, inside attics of houses, against the rafters. I could see that being a very, very good product for that. And they're calling it Prodex because they're using it on metal buildings, but I'm promising you there's a lot of other things you can use it for, and we have used it for insulation inside the rafters in mobile homes, and I've used it underneath floors. So it's a very, very good product.